Arahato sama
Tassa Sama Sambuddhassa.
Bhagavato Arahato sama
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Buddhang saranang gacchami.
Buddhang saranang gacchami.
Saranang gacchami.
Dhammang saranang gacchami.
Sanghang saranang gacchami.
Sanghang saranang gacchami.
Tiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
Tiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
Buddhang saranang gacchami.
Dhammang
Saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
Saranang gacchami.
Yampi saranang gacchami.
Tiyampi buddhang saranang
Saranam gacchami.
Tatyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
Saranam
Tiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
Tatyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
Dhammam saranam gacchami.
Tiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami.
Satyampi
Sangham saranang gacchami.
Yampi sangham
Saranang
saranam gacchami.
Ambante
Pada Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Natipata
Viramani
Veramani
Sikkhapadang
Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Adana Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Adinada Veramani
Viramani Sikkhapadang
Samadhiyami.
Kame Sumikshachara Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Kame Sumekshachara Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Musavada Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Musavada Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Sura Meraya Majapamadatana Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Sura
Pamadatana Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Imani Panchasikkhapadani Silapiyante Silana Bodha Sampada Silana Nibhuting Yanti Tasama Silang Visodhaiti.
Ambante
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Tassa bhagavato arahato samma Sambuddhassa namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa iti piso bhagava arahang samma sambuddha vidya
विद्याचरण संपन्नो सुगतो लोकविदु अनुत्तर पुरुष धम्म सारथि सत्तात्मन
Sanangodo Bhagavati Savakhato Bhagavata Dhamma Sandipiko Akaliko Yayipasiko Vapanayiko Pachatang Veditab Veyohiti Supatipanno Bhagavat Savaka Sangha Ujupatipanno Savaka Sangha Yaya Patipanno Bhagavat Savaka Sangha Samichi Patipanno Bhagavat Savaka Sangha Yadid Chatare Purisa Yugani Atha Purisa Pugal Esa Bhagavato Savaka Sangha Ahunai Pahunaya Dakhinaya Anjali Karani Anutarang Puyang Ket Lokasati Sadhu
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Sadhu.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Now moving ahead in this webinar, I would like to give you a brief background about the day which we are celebrating today. So I just want to start today's webinar with a small quote that those who educate children well are more to be honored than parents. For those, parents only gave life, but for those, teachers gave us the art of living well. So teachers play a very important role in our lives. Apart from imparting formal education, some teachers also imbibe moral values in their students. And to celebrate the efforts of the teachers from around the world, World Teachers Day is celebrated every year on 5th of October, which was proclaimed as World Teachers Day by UNESCO, United Nations Educational and Scientific Organization in 1994. In this COVID pandemic also, we have seen teachers have played a very vital role in imparting education to their students via online mode, irrespective of the pandemic, which has impacted the teaching profession. So it is very important for us today to recognize our teachers' hard work, their rights, responsibilities, etc., and give recognition to every teacher of the world by a simple thank you or respecting them. So today, from Women Empowerment Sangha, we would like you again to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. The first lady teacher of India was Savitribai Phule, and accordingly, I would give you a brief introduction of Women Empowerment Sangha, which was established in 2016 in Nagpur, India, under the guidance of Pradant Dr. Chankirti ji. It has got its members from all over the India and world who are working for the same goal and same mission and vision. The vision and mission of Mahila Sashaktikarana Sangha or the Women Empowerment Sangha is empowering the women, providing educational support to poor and marginalized children, working on women rights. In COVID pandemic also, we have provided medical aids to some COVID care centers of India. Women Empowerment Sangh has presented Global Sanghamitra Awards to social workers in March 2021 on the occasion of Women's Day. The Sangha has also presented Global Anagarika Dhammapal Award to social workers in September 2021 on the occasion of Anagarik Dhammapal birth anniversary. And the Women Empowerment Sangha is also engaged in propagation of Buddhism, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar thoughts, humanism, happiness, and peace in the society. So now, moving ahead in this webinar, I would like to invite Bhanteji, Dr. Dhammapiya, the General Secretary of International Buddhist Confederation, IBC, has helped and donated oxygen concentrators, machine, PPE kits, and masks to Mahesh Foundation via Women Empowerment Sangh in this COVID pandemic, and we are very grateful to IBC. Bhanteji, the session is over to you.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. A very good evening to all venerable monks, nuns, esteemed upasakas, upasikas, Dhamma friends, Dhamma brothers and sisters. It is indeed a great honor to be part of this webinar today on the theme Global Buddhist Educationist Award 2021, being organized by Mahila Sashaktikaran Sangh Nagpur, and I'm sure supervised by Dr. Hirohito Ji, the director of the Buddhist School or School of Buddhist Studies of Savarthi University, Meerut, India. I, on behalf of International Buddhist Confederation and on my personal behalf, take this opportunity to appreciate and thank for this valuable initiative. The topic is something very interesting. Yes, education is a word. It focuses on education. Education is not only the teaching and learning in the classroom. It is something more than that. And here, it is not only education. What I find is here, global Buddhist educationist. That means the organizer is emphasizing on Buddhist education, right? The anchor, she was saying that the teachers are to be honored, respected, because the teachers, they mold the life of children, students. They are the people society, community of a country. The teachers deserve to be respected and paid honor. I understand definitely teachers, they have their role to play as it is their profession or occupation to teach the students. But it is not only the molding the children in school classrooms. When we talk about education and specifically Buddhist education, we have to keep certain things in mind. Like how we create the foundation stone or foundation pillars or certain pillars to construct a house, a building, unless and until there are certain foundation or the pillars, we cannot have good house or buildings. So also the life, if we take as a house or building, the whole life process, the life also need to be built upon certain pillars, and that we call education. And education has to have certain foundations and the pillars that I think many of us know. Many of us will say, definitely education means what? To impart knowledge. Anchor Upasika was saying. Then to guide the children in the right direction positively, then to give them proper quality value education and so many things. But when it comes to Buddha's teaching or Buddhist education, what I understand is that there are 4 pillars actually, and I do not have the time to go in details, which are the 4 pillars. But in brief, I would like to say, one pillar is, that is the education side, the formal education, all right? Starting from imparting knowledge and then coming to experience, the skill. Having only theoretical knowledge in the classroom is not sufficient. Along with the theoretical knowledge or the information that one receives in the classroom, one has to gain skill, a skill of different kinds. Skill doesn't mean preparing some, making some tables or chairs or repairing mobiles or something like that. Definitely that's also skill. But skill of different kinds. The way I speak, this also a skill. The way I write, that's also a skill. There are many skills that one can develop. So second, in the first pillar, the first point is, first level is knowledge. Second level is skill. Then the third level is specialization. Specialization is where one can specialize and develop to the highest. If I'm good at one particular field, I should focus on that and elevate myself and develop the highest level possible in a particular field. This is specialization. And fourth is, that is my profession. So what kind of profession I want to take up after going through the 3 steps. That is knowledge, I gain knowledge, I gain skilled, I gain specialization or my main trust area, then which will be my profession, right? Profession is important in this respect because we have to live, we have to support our life. So in order to support, we have to have some profession that to take up. All this comes under education, number 1 pillar. But this is not sufficient. Having only education, skill, and this specialization or profession is not enough, right? The second pillar of life, what I understand, is also very important for school students as well as for all of us from the point of view of Buddhist education. That is habit formation. So when we talk about the sila and samadhi or panya, basically it is to develop a habit pattern that is pleasant, constructive, and which has the potentiality to create good impact in the environment, in the society. The habit formation is very important. So this habit formation, I do not know how many of us impart in the schools or colleges, right? So there are different kinds of habit formation, starting from our mental attitude, our response to the stimuli outside, and how we perceive things. These kind of things are there. In this way, actually, I understand the pillars of life, 4. Then finally, of course, there are many other points to discuss. But finally, what I would like to say is, when we talk about Buddhist education, out of the 4 pillars, what we want to achieve is the knowledge, definitely, then experience, the freedom, which is the aim of Buddhist education. It is not only learning and earning, right? It's not only learning and earning and living a life, but it's a learning, understanding, elevating, and transcending beyond all the human suffering. That is what Buddhist education. I hope all the Buddhist webinar will have much more deeper understanding of Buddhist education, and will share with the global human beings or global humanity when we are passing through different kinds of crises, tragedies, misfortunes, so that the Buddhist education can help human society to overcome the crisis we are facing. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, Venerable. You have rightly said about the 4 pillars of education, that it would be imparting knowledge, skills, specialization, and the habit formation. We are really grateful to you to have with us today in this webinar. Thank you so much. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Now I would request, moving ahead this webinar, Dr. Ponchai Palava Dhammo, Venerable, President of World Alliance of Buddhists, to please enlighten us with his knowledgeable words. Panteji, the session is over to you.
Hello. Good. Vandami Bante. Good evening, everyone. I don't know you can listen to me or not.
Yes.
First of all, I would like to pay respect to all the Sangha in the room, such as Venerable Dhammapiya, Venerable Chantarakiti, and all the Bante in the room. Good evening, everyone. Today is my great honor to join the program invited by Dr. Hirohito. And the name of the program is the Global Education Award presentation. I think nowadays education is very important, but for my opinion, we don't only give the knowledge to the student, but should give the morality, should give the good habit to the student also, because we can compare that in the past, we have more knowledge in the past, but we still have the problem, social problem nowadays. During my time in my hometown, family never broken, never separate. But nowadays, social change, young people go to work in the factory, and then he get married very young. Then when they have the kid, they separate 3 years separate because they have too young to know and don't know how to spend the life in the couple life. So I think only knowledge is not enough. So morality is really important. We should teach the student for have the good habit and morality. And for my opinion, I think good habit, we should give them the universal goodness. Universal goodness is not killing, not stealing, no sexual misconduct, no lie, and no alcoholic drinking. But we can no killing if we make our home, our place clean. Because if dirty, have the ant, have the mosquito, we have to kill them. And when we kill animal, small animal, we can kill a big animal in the future. So we must have cleanliness, orderliness, for we can find the thing easier. And we should have the politeness, because if we were everything polite, no misconduct in sensation, and we should train the student to be punctuality, so they have no excuse for lie. And the last one is we should give them the meditation or mindfulness for the student. So in my opinion, we should give the student not only knowledge, but give them the morality, so they can be the good person in the future and develop our society and our world. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Venerable Bhante Ji. I think whatever points you have told us today, that following the punctuality, meditation, and the mindfulness practice, the Panchashil, and following the morality, we will be able to attain whatever goals we have in our life. Thank you so much, Bhante Ji. So now moving ahead in this webinar, I want to quote K. Kawasaki's quote. He says, if you have to put someone on a pedestal, put teachers, because they are our society's hero. And having Dhamma teachers with us, I think we will be able to attain this goal and world peace by following the Panchashil and the correct path what Lord Buddha has told us. So it is a very special day today. And as we know, it is appreciation of teachers and all the Dhamma teachers also. So we will commence with the award ceremony to honor our teachers, our Dhamma teachers from all over the globe for their special contributions in particular field area. Bhanteji, are you able to see my screen?
Now we can see.
Yeah. So welcome all and congratulations to all the awardees of Global Awards 2021 on the occasion of World Teachers' Day. First, we have the Global Buddhist Teacher Award 2021 presented to Venerable Dr. Dhammapiya, Secretary General, International Buddhist Confederation, Champathaptal, New Delhi, on the occasion of World Teachers' Day. We congratulate you, Venerable. Next, we have Most Venerable Thich Nhat Hanh, Vice Rector, Vietnam Buddhist University, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, on the occasion of World Teachers' Day from Women Empowerment Summit. We congratulate you, Venerable. Next award we have of Global Buddhist Teachers Award 2021 presented to Dr. Ponchaya Palava, President, World Alliance of Buddhists, Bangkok, Thailand. So we congratulate you, sir. Next, we have Global Buddhist Teacher Award 2021 presented to Bhante Dr. Sirivaratna, Assistant Professor, Department of Buddhist Studies from Thailand. We congratulate you, Venerable. Next, we have the Global Philanthropist Award 2021 presented to Dr. Lee Ket Yong, Secretary General, World Alliance of Buddhists, Bangkok, Thailand. We congratulate you, sir. Next award we have of Global Educationist Award 2021 presented to Dr. Pin Yin A, Vice President, University of Abhidhamma, Yangon City, Myanmar, on the occasion of World Teachers' Day. We congratulate you. Next award we have of Global Buddhist Teacher Award 2021 presented to Dr. Arvind Kumar Singh, Assistant Professor, School of Buddhist Studies and Civilization, Gautam Buddha University, UP, India, on this occasion of World Teachers' Day. We congratulate you, sir. Next award we have of Global Buddhist Teacher Award 2021 presented to Dr. Neeraj Bodhi, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Pali and Prakrit, Nagpur University, Maharashtra, India.
Thank
We
you. Thank
congratulate
you so much.
you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Next award we have of Global Hindi Teacher Award 2021 presented to Dr. Seema Sharma, Assistant Professor, Rahul Sanskrityaan Subharti School of Linguistics, Swami Vivekanand Subharti University, Meerut, UP. Congratulate you, ma'am. Next award we have of Global English Teacher Award 2021 presented from Mahila Sashaktikarana Sangh to Dr. Sudesh Meera Bhavate, Assistant Professor and Head, Dr. Madhukar Vasnik, PWS Arts and Science College, Nagpur University, on this occasion of World Teachers' Day. We congratulate you, sir.
Thank you very much for this honor. I accept your honor. Thank you.
Teacher Award 2021, and the awardee is Mrs. Shraddha Vasnik, SN, Government Middle School from Balod, Chhattisgarh, India. We congratulate you, ma'am, on this occasion. We have a Global Peace Activist Award 2021 is being presented to Ms. Pallavi Tep, Assistant Professor, Tathagat Buddha Chair, Swami Vivekanand Subharti University, Meerut, UP. We congratulate you, ma'am, on this occasion of World Teachers' Day.
Thank you so much.
Next award we have of Global History Teacher Award 2021 presented to Dr. Praveen Golkar, Assistant Professor, R.K. Talweza College, University of Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. We congratulate you, sir, on this
Thank you.
occasion of
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Bhante ji, and thank you, Mahila Sashaktikarana Sangh. Thank you very much.
We once again congratulate all the award winners on this World Teachers' Day. Now I request Bhanteji, Dr. Chand Kirtiji, who is Assistant Professor in Subharti University, Meerut, UP, and founder and president of Women Empowerment Sangha, to please enlighten us with these knowledgeable words. Over to you, Bhanteji.
Today we are celebrating World Teachers Day. On this vacation, Global Award Ceremony. Those are today award. We definitely congratulate to all on this vacation. We know the teachers' role very important for the society, for the children. And on this vacation, Dhammapriya Bhanteji, Bhante Ponchai ji, Thiknathun, Venerable Thiknathun Bhante, and Venerable Sirivatto Dhammo, and others are awardees, Arvind sir, and Niniye, Dr. Niraj Bodhi, Dr. Sudesh Bhaute, Dr. Praveen Borkarji, Dr. Seema Sharma, Pallavi Tyagi, and Shraddha Vashnik, and others also. Those are this occasion participant, and they definitely they teach to the Buddhist education, to the society, to the children. We know Bhante Dhammapriya, so he mentioned about the education and morality. That is called the Sila in the Pali. That is very important for the student, definitely. So on this vacation, those are working still tired to teach to the student and teach to the society. Like the monks always teach to the society, like Sila morality to the society. So definitely play role by the teachers, and we know the International Teachers Day in International Day held annually on October, established in 1994, and the UNESCO 1966 the recommendation concerning the status of the teachers. So we know the importance of the teacher. Like me also, I am Buddhist monk. I am teaching to the society, I am teaching to the scholar. And not only the education, but we will teach to the morality like a Sila. So it's a very important role by the teacher. So definitely in Pali say Garo cha Nivato cha, means Garo ta Nivato means is very important, who has to work for society, who work for the student or scholar. Definitely we have to appreciate to them. That's why this day, just organize the World Teacher Day. We have to promote to the teachers for the society, for the our new generation. Without teacher, nobody can train and nobody can take the education. So that's why teacher is very most important play role for the society. So we today organize this promote to the teacher, or like we have to celebrating this day. So very important role is for this very short occasion. We organize this program, and very play important role. Dr. Hirohito ji, he is the advisor and president of the Subharti MTV Trust, and he hard work for the develop the Buddhism around the world, not only the India. He has to develop day by day. So just Mahila Sashakti Sangh, we always supporting to the society. We want to the like teach to the morality. Buddha say, when we follow the morality, we will get the happiness and peace. It's an important role for the society. So today, congratulate to all again who got this occasion award. Definitely they will work for the society. Thank you very much to all this occasion. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bhanteji. Thank you, Bhanteji.
Thank you, Bhanteji.
Now I request one by one say few words. First of all, I request Dr. Laiketiong, please say a few words, and I request if someone can show his award certificate together and while he is speaking. I request Priyanka to show the certificate.
Good evening.
You, brother.
A very good evening.
Yes.
Yes, Bhante, we can hear you.
A very good evening. I pay my respect to all the venerable Sangha who are with us in the sitting. And also, I'd like to a very good evening to all my Dharma brothers and sisters with us here today. And first and foremost, I'd like to I'd like to thank Venerable Advokiti Bante and also the Dr. Hirohito honorary with awards. Right, it's my pleasure to receive this award, and I'm really honored to receive it. Yeah, and a little bit. Kalayana Mitra, yeah, or virtual friends. Right? They can be our teachers, right? And then when we are in school, right, our teachers, these are profession like what Venerable Dr. With their untiring efforts, yeah, to help ease the sufferings of the victims of the pandemic as well as the natural disasters. Right? As for me, on my part, I will always put in my best effort, right, to help and assist those vulnerable and also less fortunate people in society. So I'd like to thank you the Chandrakirti Banteji and also Dr. Hirohito and all the organizers who organize this function to honor me with this award. Thank you very much.
Thank you, brother. Now I request Dr. Ninie to say a few words and request the MC to share her certificate.
Sorry. Hello, sir.
Yes, Bhanteji, you want to say something?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So most respects all of Buddhist monks and good evening to all the scholars in this program. Wait. Okay. So today I'm very pleased to join this program. I would like to refer to the Lord of Buddha teaching, because all this room, I think we are the Buddhist. Then we should know what is the goal of Buddhism, our life. Because we are teacher to teach our student. The student and the teacher, both of them follow the doctrine that the word Lord of Buddha. We believe Lord of Buddha teaching and follow him. I hope all of our did here remember that word when before the Lord of Buddha passed away. Whoever sees the Dhamma, he sees me. Whoever sees me, he sees Dhamma. Yo dhammang pasati, so mang pasati. I think that is very important for our, not only our, but for the world. How to develop our mind to purify. I think that is the goal. The goal for our life. Not only our students, our life. How to develop. We only lecture and teaching our students only the academics for his knowledge, but not practice. Practice a little bit. We say we are Buddhism. We believe Lord of Buddha teaching, but I think a little bit follow and practice Dhamma. That is very important. Beyond another method. When we are develop our mind to purify, and then we can teach our students to know how to follow when we teaching them. I think mind is very important. Mano pupam, kama dhamma, mano setha, mano maya. Manasa te patute na pasati wa karoti wa tatonang tukkamanaveti. Right, that's it is Swiss word. Sweet word. When we study the Pali, in Thailand we have the Pali class. That's first the canons, Dhammapatha, first Dhammapatha. Mano pupang kama dhamma, mano setha, mano maya. Mano, mind. We should talk about this fluency to our students. I think that is the aim. That is aim. If we can practice like mindfulness, awareness also, when we do something, we action, we must have awareness, mindfulness, cultivate through wisdom. Wisdom is finally to find out how to follow the path of cessation of suffering. That is really very important for our life, not academy, not only knowledge, but practice is very important. See, today I'm very glad and happy, and so thank you for Dr. Chandrakirti invite me to join. Maybe we have the time is a little bit now, so many scholars waiting for this card also. Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank Now I request Dao Nini to say a few words. Dao Nini?
Yes, brother.
Yes, sister. You.
Yes, sister. Yes, another. Are you here?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes, yes, because our country internet connection is now very slow. Firstly, I would like to pay respect to most venerable monks and all attendants. And I'm very honored and delighted to receive this Global Education Award 2021, especially for this World Teachers Day. And I was very happy then. And have a gratitude to Mihila, have a gratitude to Mihila Chacha, Kitty Grant Sangat organization, now Dr. Hirohito, President of Yonker Historical Research Foundation, for choosing this selected World Teacher Days Global Award. Education is very important, and also Buddhist education also very, very important, because also time and all things are changing. So we need to promote and we need to protect and we need to preserve all of our Buddhist education and Hidegard too. This 10 my past 10 years all the time, I have to effort to propagation of Bodhisasana and offering money for developmental education, and I've donated and shared over the past 10 years also. And we all again by merits and these moral acts. I'm very grateful for this unexpected. Thank you so much, and I wish for more success in upcoming future for organization and as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sister Nini. Now, due to some unavoidable circumstances, most venerable Thich Nhat, who didn't join us, He is represented by his assistant. So I request Venerable Monk, who is representing Venerable Thiganath, to say a few words on his behalf.
Yes, certainly, sir. Thank you very much for having me here. First of all, my name is Ngô Trí Đức, one of the assistant monk to Most Venerable Dr. Thích Nhật Tứ. I would like to convey his apologies to all of you that he was unable to attend the event today. So I will be on behalf of himself to receive the prestigious award today. So I believe that this is a great pleasure for Most Venerable Dr. Thích Nhật Tứ to be recognized by the organization Mahila Sashadhikaran Sangha, and convey our profound gratitude to the Sangha, as well as we would, our deepest appreciation goes to Dr. Hirohito as well for his efforts and his kind support to Most Venerable Dr. Thích Nhật Tứ in the past couple of years. And I believe that this is a great motivation as well as an inspiration for Most Venerable Dr. Thích Nhật Tứ as being a spiritual leader in Vietnam, and also being a standing vice rector of Vietnam Buddhist University in Ho Chi Minh City, in leading younger generations of monks and nuns in Vietnam, and I believe this is a very honor. And so once again, thank you very much for having me here to receive this award on behalf of Most Venerable Dr. Thích Nhật Tứ, and thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Venerable.
Thank you.
And now I request Dr. Sudesh Bhate.
Sudesh Bhate. Dr. Sudesh Bhate, sir.
I'm here.
Okay.
Thank you. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Supreme Jai Bhim to one and all. Good evening. And it is indeed a great pleasure to me. It's a great honor to be part of this august gathering in this wonderful Global Teachers Award ceremony on this platform. And I deem it's my honor that I have been chosen for this purpose, and especially by Venerable Bhante Chandrakirtiji, who recommended my name. I'm very thankful to you and all the, I congratulate all the awardees, and I congratulate all the teachers, dedicated teachers, those who are working for many years for the cause of students. And I would certainly say that the Women's Empowerment Sangha, which is working for last few years, especially from 2016, which is mentioned here. And I witnessed of its program, and I heard about its work. And I wish all the best to Bhante Chandrakirti, who is doing great work for the cause. And especially in Nagpur, very few of organizations are available which are working in the cause of women empowerment. And this Sangha is recognizing the teachers who are working in their field. I would like to congratulate the Sangha for their such a noble work. With these words, I would like to say that I wholeheartedly accept this award or this occasion, and thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to speak on this occasion. And thank you, Bhante Chandrakirti, for recognizing me, acknowledging me, my work. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sudeshji. Now I request Dr. Seema Sharma. Dr. Seema Sharma.
विद्वत समुदाय को मेरा नमस्कार। बहुत बहुत आभार मुझे अवसर देने के लिए। सर, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपका ही आभार प्रकट करती हूँ, डॉक्टर हिरोहितो जी का, जिनकी और भंते जी का, जिनके महिला सशक्तिकरण संघ के द्वारा मुझे इस सम्मान हेतु चयनित किया गया। चयन समिति के प्रति भी मेरा आभार। वैसे तो शिक्षण अधिगम एक निरंतर चलने वाली प्रक्रिया है, किंतु इस प्रक्रिया में इस तरह के आयोजन और इस तरह के सम्मान शिक्षकों को प्रेरित करते हैं और उन्हें उत्साहित करते हैं आगे और अच्छे निरंतर कार्य करने हेतु। मैं, मेरे साथ जो सभी विद्वत समुदाय हैं जिनको ग्लोबल टीचर अवार्ड 2021 के लिए चयनित किया गया है, उन सभी को भी मैं बधाइयां प्रेषित करती हूँ। बहुत बहुत आभार, धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद सीमा जी। Now I request Ms. Pallavi Tyagi to say a few words.
A very warm good evening to everyone. And my regards to Venerable Sangha. First and foremost, I would like to thank Tathagata Buddha, who has been a reason and inspiration behind all such events. And he's the reason why we have joined this event today virtually. Even after the pandemic is everywhere, we somehow managed to organize such great events. I want to thank Mahila Sashakti-Karan Sangha for organizing such a beautiful event, and also like to thank Dr. Hirohito ji and Bhante Dr. Chandrakirti ji for recognizing my efforts in the field of peace education. And I received this award with a lot of honor and great responsibility to spread my mission for peace education, to spread this mission in all the corners of the world. Thank you so much.
Dr. Neeraj Bodhi, sir.
Congratulations, Pallavi. Now I request Dr. Neeraj Bodhi to say a few words.
बोधिसत्व बाबासाहेब आंबेडकरांचं अहं तिक्कत्तुं अभिवादयामि. Today's functions, most venerable Bhikkhu Chandrakirti, Dr. Hirohito, and all awardees and dignitaries who is present here. Now, this is a great pleasure to me. Suddenly yesterday I called Bhanteji and he congratulated me. Then I was shocked, and he told me that his team selected me for this global award, and I feel very glad. Just I think that am I able for this award or not, but due to Bhanteji's respect and Bhanteji, his kind heart, and he know my work in this region, in Pali, in the field of Pali. That's why I think he selected me, and Bhanteji also learned Pali from me. So this is a great pleasure to me that such kind of monks and as well as students prepared themselves from our seminary. This is our pleasure, and he honored me this respected award. I'm not able, but still I'm accepting this award, and I'm very much thankful to Dr. Hirohito sir. He also encouraged, and he also invited in his Subhati University. So I congratulate to all our awardees who achieved such kind of great award, and this is global platform for this Global Teacher Day. So I once again thank you Bhanteji, thank you so much for this great honor to me. Thank you. Now, Jai Jai.
Congratulations, Dr. Neeraj. And now I request Dr. Parveen Borkar ji to say a few words.
Dr. Praveen ji.
Yeah. Yes, sir. All respected monks, it is my pleasure to join this webinar, and I'm very much thankful to Dr. Chandra and the Mahila Sashastikaran Sangha. Your great going toward the empowerment of the women's, and my best wishes with you. You selected me for this global award on this International Teacher Day as a history teacher. It is my great pleasure. I am wholeheartedly accept this award. Once again, I am thankful to you, Dr. Bhante Chandrakirti ji, and whole teams. It is a good moment for the listening. All senior monks from the different part of the world. I congratulate all others awardee on this international Namo Buddhaya.
Congratulations once again, Dr. Borkar.
Vashnik.
And now I request say a few words.
नमो बुद्धाय, सादर जय भीम आप सभी को। इस वर्ल्ड टीचर्स डे पे आपने मुझे सुना, ये बहुत बड़े सौभाग्य की बात है मेरे लिए। और आज जितने शिक्षकों को चुना गया है, जिन्हें ये सम्मान मिला है, मैं उन सबको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। धन्यवाद भंते जी, वंदामी भंते जी।
धन्यवाद वासनिक जी, बहुत बहुत हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं आपको। Now I request Venerable Chandrakirti for closing blessings.
I think both of things last moment, then we can blessing chanting last.
Yes, Bhanteji.
Okay.
Once again, congratulations to all the awardees. And the good teachers are the reason why ordinary students dream to do extraordinary things. So congratulations once again to all of you. And thank you, Bhante Dr. Shankirti ji, and all respected, all monks and nuns in the room, Dr. Hirohito sir, and all the Upasak and Upasikas on joining this webinar. Now I request Mrs. Sanjita Lisham, MSS member from Manipur, to please give vote of thanks of this webinar. Ms. Sanjita, over to you.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Good evening, one and all. It is my privilege that I have been given the chance to deliver the word of thanks on this event of International Teachers' Day. And first of all, I would like to thank the organizers, that is the Women Empowerment Sangha. And I would like to thank, first of all, our very own venerable Dr. Chandrakirti Bhanteji, then our co-host, Priyanka Vasnik, and a very special thanks to Sir Hirohito, advisor and president of Subharti University Trust. And on this fateful day of International Teachers' Day, the awardees, which truly deserves the awards of 2021 Global Award Ceremony, I congratulate and thank you all once again. And to be mentioned the name, the most venerable Bhante, Dr. Dhammapiya Bhanteji, congratulations. Again, most venerable Teach Nat to, I beg your pardon if I didn't sound properly. And venerable Dr. Ponchai Pinyapong, Dr. Lai Ket Yong, venerable Dr. Sri Vatanu, Dr. Arvind Kumar Singh, Dr. Hin Hin I, Dr. Seema Sarma, Dr. Neeraj Bodhi, Dr. Sudesh Mira Badliram Bhavati, Dr. Praveen Borkar, Ms. Pallavi Tyagi, and Mrs. Shraddha Vashnik. Congratulations once again for the truly deserving awards. And once again, last but not the least, I must say, no duty is urgent than that of returning thanks. So once again, thank you all for giving us your attention. And thank you to the Women Empowerment Sangha for organizing the event so well. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjita. I think
take photo together. I think
touch a life forever, and without teachers, no one can lead in their life. So morality and Shri are very important to lead a happy and successful life. And the Kalyan Patras and the spiritual gurus are required today. The Dhamma teachers are required to lead a happy and a successful life. So we have come to the closing ceremony of this webinar. So now I request Bhanteji, please mark the ceremony International webinar by chanting Dhammapalam Gatha.
Sakaranam Kalasa Upasampada Sachita Pariyodapanam Etam Buddhanupasanam Dhammang Dare Charitam Natang Charitam Chare Dhammachari Sukham Seti Asame Param Nata Dhammadharu Yavata Bhagavata Sati Yo Chapate Dhammam Kaye Apasati Kave Dhammadharo Nati me saranangaya, Goswami saranangaya, Ete chavachena bhatute. Nati me saranangaya, Dhamma me saranangaya, Ete chavachena bhatute. Jaya Nati me saranangaya,
Saya